Hi, welcome to Pain-Free Video. Simple exercises for real results.
We're Rick and Teresa Mathis of the Egoscue Clinic in Austin, Texas.
And today we're going to show you some exercises for dealing with low back pain. Okay, this first exercise we're going to show you is called static back. Teresa is laying on her back with her legs up on a block. At home you can use a chair or an ottoman or a block for this. And the important thing is that you have your legs bent at about 90 degrees. She's got her hips tucked right up against it, legs relaxed. Her arms are out at about 45 degrees with her palms up. When you're in this position, just relax, let yourself settle into the floor. Now when you first get into the position, check your low back and see, does it feel like it's tucked in, settled down into the floor, or does it feel like it's arched up a little bit? If it feels like it's arched up, stay in this position until you really feel it release and relax into the floor. If it is already into the floor, just relax in this position for 5 or 10 minutes and feel like you're trying to breathe into your low back and your abdominal cavity. Do some nice, slow, diaphragmatic breaths and just relax. Okay, we're now going to show you the exercise called static back pullovers. Teresa's going to extend her arms straight up over her chest, hands interlaced with thumbs parallel to each other, elbows nice and straight with the insides of the elbows pointing towards each other and the shoulders tucked down towards the floor. Then keeping the elbows straight, slowly bring your arms back over your head until either your hands hit the floor or you can't go any further without your elbows bending. Teresa's pace there is really good. Keep those elbows nice and straight. Now what some people will do is they think the goal is to get to the floor, so they'll cheat. They'll bend their elbows like Teresa's doing right there. That's a mistake. We don't want you doing that. We want you to keep your elbows nice and straight, just like that. Do 30 of those, nice and slow and smooth at that pace, keeping your stomach muscles relaxed. That is static back pullovers. Okay, now we're going to show you an exercise called hook, line, knee pillow squeezes. Teresa's now laying on the floor with her feet on the floor, knees bent. Her knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Feet are hip width apart and pointing straight. To get your feet pointing straight, make sure they feel a little bit pigeon-toed. Her arms are out at about 45 degrees with her palms up, and we've got a roughly 6-inch thick pillow between her knees. Keep your stomach muscles and your low back muscles nice and relaxed, and then with a nice smooth cadence, squeeze and release that pillow with about 60 to 70% of your maximum effort. So you want to squeeze hard enough that you feel you're working, but not so hard that you feel you're straining. Don't try to break the pillow. Just squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. And you should feel that work move into your inner thighs. Do 60 of those, and that's hook, line, knee pillow squeezes. Do these 3 exercises for low back pain, and tell us what you think. We'd love to hear your feedback. You can email us at austin@egoscue.com or call our clinic at 512-527-0030. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day, and let's get rid of that back pain.